Makerere University is launching a product from a project entitled Development, Production, Scale-Up and Commercialization of a Solar Electric Indoor Cooker. This product is called the MakSol cooker, and it aims at reducing the cooking carbon footprint in households. This project was funded by the Government of Uganda through the Makerere University Research and Innovation Fund and through the Science, Technology and Innovation Secretariat, Office of the President. The project partners include the Department of Agriculture and Biosystems Engineering under the Makerere University CAIS and their development partners, Intellisys Limited Uganda. Behind the success of this remarkable innovation lies a great team of passionate and committed individuals. The team consists of Makerere University doctors, lecturers, alumni, and talented students, each contributing unique expertise. This team is spearheaded by Dr. Peter Tumutegereze as the principal investigator.
So we are motivated by the challenges we see in households. For example, when you look at charcoal, 95% of the households depend on charcoal. Even those that have electricity, the electricity is unreliable, is intermittent. At different times, if you are using electricity to cook, at the peak times, the power goes off. You cannot use a kettle, you cannot use anything that only lighting will be available. So based on that, we realize that even those with electricity, they have challenges. When it comes to gas, LPG, those with the LPG, when they are leaving home, they close the cylinders for fear of housemates using them and leaving them open, and fire may catch the house. So you find that people are basically having the clean energy cooking appliances, but they are not using them. Electricity is expensive if you are to rely on it. So we find ourselves, majority of us, depending on charcoal, which has a detrimental effect on the environment. And of recent, the government banned the making of charcoal due to the depletion of forests and the related climate change issues. So based on that, we looked at an opportunity, which is the solar that is available to everyone. But this solar, the available technology, all technologies, the cookers that people developed were outdoor technologies which failed to be adopted, and we thought of how if we can make an indoor cooker that uses the photovoltaic technology, which majority, even in rural households, have adopted solar panels. They have solar panels for lighting. It would be a good innovation. So we formed a team and started on trying to develop the concept and proving it. And we went through a number of steps, coming up with the circuit, that where the first thing was basically desk review. We assigned a student, Juku Kenneth, who was in his 4th year, and he took it as his special project. And he did a lot of literature review on different circuits that we can adopt. Then we developed different coils that we tested, and we moved from a cylindrical coil to a circular coil. We did so many iterations in order to get the coil that would give us the optimal energy that we are looking for. And we zeroed basically on the circular, and we went ahead now to start testing different sizes of the circular coil and the different diameters of the coil until we proved the concept to see that indeed it is giving us heat. Then we also tested voltage changes in the battery. Then we did also went to the casing, how the circuits would be arranged within the casing, and we moved from a wooden casing to a plastic casing up to the metallic casing that we are currently using. And also tested, we wanted to incorporate a solar light such that someone can cook at night, so we are testing its visibility or its potential when using it at night. From that, we started arranging different circuits within the casing to see how they will fit. After that, we now tested to see the performance, and of which we even did a demonstration at one of the exhibitions at URI. In this exhibition at URI, people, all the visitors, were able to realize the benefits of this MakSol cooker, of which they realized that this cooker does not generate any heat. It is safe, meaning that any person can use it without any fear of being burnt. The kitchen remains cool because there is no heat generated. Even if it is on, it can remain on without generating any amount of heat. No emissions at all. Once you have bought it, you have zero recurring energy bills for cooking. You have a clean environment, a clean kitchen, where no smoke is being generated for the case of charcoal and firewood, and you are not scared of any explosion of fire in case there is a gas leakage, or even the electric stones. Once the cooker has remained there, you leave food there and it gets burnt and there is no water. So this cooker has enormous benefits that anyone can capitalize on to adopt it. And when we had done all this, we thought we were ready. The contact person who they had assigned to us visited us, and this is where we realized that basically we are nowhere. We had not achieved the desired outcome. So from the review of Dr. Wandera Kathy, we were able to modify the whole shape of the cooker, and from that modification we piloted to 2 households, one in Ruchega district and another one in Bale. Also, these households, the users, they gave us feedback from the monitoring and evaluation.
I'm called Gertrude Nakiria Oseke. I stay in Bujoloto, Cell, IU, that is Islamic University, Mbale City. So, this is how we use this cooker. When we want to put something, we start switching on from here. This is for this other side of the coil. Then this is from the other side of the cooker. So when the 3 lights are on, it means the battery is full. Then when you use it and it drops to this, it means the battery is getting drained. So when I start cooking, I first switch it on from here up to the level where I want. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now it's at 5. The sunshine is bright, and I've put here water, and if the water is getting warm, I've put it some minutes back, and now it's getting warmer, so you can use it and it cooks. I think that's all we have about it.
So my name is Joseph Oseke. I'm a resident of Ujoloto and our Gagai Cell, Koma Ward and Northern Division, Mbale City. I want to really take this opportunity to thank the people who provided us with the solar cooker. Since we received that solar cooker, I think it has reduced a bit of our burden in terms of fuel consumption, in terms of charcoal. This family is a very big family. We have a big number of people, of around 13, that we always host within the family. So it comes with a cost that before we could consume around 2 bags of charcoal within 1 month. But from the time we got the solar, we found that our consumption went down totally, that we can cross with 1 bag for other alternative use to almost a period of 2 months. And it has saved a lot of charcoal. That has been going in that direction. We have also found that this thing gives you opportunity to see that sometimes you don't touch charcoal the whole day.
Tumutsime Proscovia, Nzaligo muri Ruhonwa, Butale Odi Muhanga Town Council. MakSol abajimpire n'aba Makerere University. Okujimpereza bakamanza bishaga barareba esigiri zabo za smart home kuba arebire ngo ndakunda iryo ntunguka bashyiramo pompe gisora teka MakSol jya ubuyambo buyampire natekaho babihimba amiza gundatemo tiga kahwera garaguma go kuna gatamo munani no bwira nantine bwira ndateka onze mujyanje ngeno nana gitunga nganyigwa mu munonga n'amakarati ncyasha furageza amakara ateka speed nashanje ri MakSol yo ukora biteho wotekera sigiro ratamamize mirundi kesha twonka gwamiza goratekesa ni gwago kandi gabihise kandi gagumemo MakSol ratware shankisha tukonka ehise kukiza esigire sigiro tamamakara munonga konka yo watamamize uraba wamara uraza mujyawe kunanda tekaho nkwata kapapura kataba kubampire pandikesha ezina biteraho nguma ndiza kapapura kandi za kapapura buryahira n'ubu nabihira tandika kugikosa kutekaho no kwandika 2016 kwezi kwa kabiri kandi kamanza natekaho cyayi je nagihaho namara natandika kutekaho ngenda testing kureba nko kwera hisa natandika kuteka ibihimba natandika kutekaho n'ibicori eco ratoco na kirasa abo ndatura nabo mu gihe family bona barama kutekesa kabashomesa ko barateka ndagikozesa konko mubwire bwo mu kibunda n'enjura yarateka mpora muri gutakaza mu batule munonga konko mubwire bwo mushana yarateka jembwe ukorenda mu shahe mwara wahize kiwata kitari kibunda ati nkagire bireme kizibu cyona ecyo rateko cyona kirahira mubwire bwo rero ndasima abampire gi MakSol abo kubankaganyirwa munonga mu kugura amakara ngene no kuteka kaza mu byawo kugira ngo uti wajya guhinza ngo amakara gahamusigiri yo rasiga watekaho oganyirwe mu mirimo yo.
Their feedback helped us to again modify, and what we are launching today is as a result of the different comments, views from the STI contact person and the households that piloted the initial version of the MakSol cooker. And we are contented that the product we are launching works perfectly and can provide enough energy to sustain a household. The future of this innovation is still ongoing. We need now to do standardization, which would be our next step, such that when we produce different cookers, they are rated the same way. We also get certifications from ISO, UNBS. Then after that, we need to do marketing, and after that, mass production, such that we can meet the demand. And at this moment, I want to thank the government of Uganda and Makerere Research and Innovation Fund and Science, Technology and Innovation Secretariat, Office of the President. I thank you.